Welcome to the Intrigue Across America Tour. Today we are in Miami, Florida, and we are going to do some amazing things. We started out with some beautiful large-scale floral centerpieces. These ones right here that you're looking at, we built them from scratch with the students using the jet fresh flowers. Once the pieces were designed, then we worked on these large-scale installations, creating clouds of baby's breath with a gorgeous scape of smilax. It all came together with an impromptu additional install that wasn't on the plans before we wrapped up with our bouquets. Then the photographers came in and the entire Style Chicks Across America team brought the whole design to life. This collaboration is a dream come true.
This luxury wedding workshop has been one of the most valuable days of my entire career. I've learned how to work with a team. I learned a lot about leadership, and we made some larger-than-life arrangements that I'm so excited to share to my social medias.
It's really allowed me to expand my brain and think of different things that I would not have been able to do, and also not be scared to take on those large installation projects and go for that luxury client. So I'm extremely happy to keep on learning with you guys, and I'm very happy to be part of this team.
If you're watching and you want to be part of this, this is your time, this is your chance. Join us in Houston, Dallas, Phoenix, Los Angeles, and Richmond.